tama naman, gaya ng binanggit natin kanina na talagang maraming magsasamantala dito sa mga insidenteng ganito at they would use the incident to perpetrate their scams. Ang paalala natin sa ating mga kababayan is when adopt that approach na magduda kayo when it comes to text or message na merong link na pinapaklik sa inyo. When in doubt, you can go directly to the GCash platform or their website. Sometimes kasi if you see the link, sasabihin nila www pero yung isang W maiba lang ng konti or yung zero nagiging O. So you may think it's the platform kopya nila, but it's an entirely different platform that performs phishing activities and scam activities. So yun ang paalala natin sa mga kababayan natin. I think yes, the practice of cybersecurity hygiene must be adopted by everyone. At yung pakiusap ko lang doon sa mga technologically adverse nating mga kababayan, wag na kayong mag-atubili na mag-adapt yung mga tinatawag nyo na OTPs is one form of multi-factor authentication. Andyan din yung retina scans natin, yung biometrics natin. Yun lang. At andito parati ang inyong DICT. Sa mga nakaka-experience na scam, i-establish a hotline 1326, for all sorts of online scams. Professionals are on the other side to help you with your problems.